operational pa rin every
Monday to Sunday.
Oh, Monday to Sunday
Yes
na.
po.
Okay.
Yes po. We
Opo.
have our outpatient services. That one, the outpatient services are available from Monday to Sunday. So, from 8 to 5.
Oh, ayan,
So,
mga
isang
kapatid.
linggong serbisyo po
Serbisyo.
talaga yon. So, punta ho kayo.
Dito lang po yan sa Shaw Boulevard. Malaking, makikita nyo naman po malaking PCSO. At tatanungin nyo lamang po, saan po ba yung free clinic
Yes.
ng PCSO? Marami po sa inyo ay sinasabi, ako nagtatrabaho kasi kami, may walang pasok. Kaya may Sabado at Linggo na.
Yeah.
8 to 5. You can bring the entire family. Mayroon
Magpabunot
po
na sila.
May libreng bunot. Basic check-up.
Check-up,
And
yes.
pag nangailangan pa po kayo ng gamot, as long as they have it there, may kasamang
Yes.
gamot pag uwi po ninyo.
Yes.
So take advantage. They're open 7 days a week, 8 to 5 p.m.
Yes.
Kung hindi po kayo nakakakuha or hindi po kayo happy sa, minsan po kasi yung mga health centers po natin hindi kompleto. Ito po talagang may maabutan po kayong mga doktor.
Yes.
May mga doctors po sila every day na siguradong titingin po sa inyo. Mayroon nga din po yung schedule kung kailan ang dentist, kailan ang...
Every day our dentist is
libre!
available. Yes.
Available pala.
Ang meron lang po yung sinasabi nyo, I think, is the specialty clinic, which is from Monday to Friday lang yon. We have specialists who are like, for example, the chief of pulmonology in a hospital.
Wow.
So we have pulmonologists, we have neuro, cardio, OB-GYN.
Oh, yan
O,
po,
diba?
mga kapatid.
Ang ganda.
Monday to Friday, sayang
Yeah.
po eh. Pero yung dentista po, libreng bunot, pitong araw.
Opo,
Pitong
opo.
araw
Punta kayo
yan.
ng Sabado para may rest day kayo ng Linggo,
Oo,
di ba?
oo,
Yeah, we have that. We have that the entire week. So, 7 days po tayo doon. Our specialty clinics nga lang, mga specialty doctors natin, Monday to Friday lang.
At paano rin
Opo.
po natin mas pinadali yung paghingi po ng tulong pagdating po sa hospital bills?
Yes. So, we have the online. For the, right now, we have lang sa NCR po. So, sa NCR, we have yung online natin, online registration. You can go to the medical assistance of PCSO. Online po yun, and that's where you will submit now you will register and you will submit your documents. The other way of doing that in Manila and in the branches would be to go to our offices to submit the documents.
Ayun po. Ganun. Tsaka mas pinaka-onti na po nila.
Opo.
Pinawasan na po yung mga documents na kailangan.
I'd like to, ang good news po talaga, and this one was started, if I'm not mistaken, September. Yun po, through GM Robles rin po, pwede nang bayaran ng PCSO yung room and board and the professional fees. Kasi before, hindi ho kasama. So, di ba, PhilHealth, you have PhilHealth, you have DOH, you have DSWD, you have security, senior citizen. Mga ganun, ang dami-dami, may MAIX. Pagdating sa PCSO, wala na kaming mababayaran kasi ang natira na lang sa amin, room and board at saka doctor's fees na
Hindi pasok.
na hindi kasama. But because GM Robles nga said na, bakit ganun? Last na nga tayo, tas hindi pa natin mako-cover yung natira. So, because of that, the board amended the policy and we now allow na yung medical assistance program namin would cover the
Professional fee
and the room and board based on the case rates pa rin. Parang kunwari, if the maximum is 50,000, we'll cover the 50,000. That's really up to the patient. Kasi di ba there are some patients na yun lang ang gusto actually nilang
yun na lang ang
ipa-cover.
natitira, doon na rin
Yun
sila.
na lang nga po.
At minsan talaga yung professional fee, napakabigat.